Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of 2003 Hummer H2, and this one is the Entourage edition by Highway 61. It costed me around 16,000 rupees, so it is on the expensive side, but this model has lots of features for the price. It has openable glove box, armrest, fuel lid, working third and second row seats, and it is the most detailed model of Hummer H2 in 1x18 scale. There is also a Meister one, but I couldn't able to source it, so I bought this one. I bought this model from one of my friend Praful Shelke. I'll provide his Instagram link in the description of this video. So if you want to buy this or any other diecast model, you can contact him. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So let's get started. Hope you enjoyed this video, and new diorama is coming next week, so stay tuned for that, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.